BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft have started rolling out another update for the Microsoft Edge web browser, which they made available on the 10th of October, which was once again late yesterday in my region. Now, this is the second maintenance bug and performance fix update that Microsoft has made available for version 106, which is the latest stable release. So as always, if you'd like to double check if you have this latest update, we just head to the menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And once the update has been applied, the latest version and build now is bumped up to 106.0.1370.42. And it's a point release, so it's just the 0.42 that carries the bug and performance fixes for version 106. Now, if you haven't seen the update straight away, Microsoft does say that these point release updates can roll out over one or more days. So if you have checked for updates and you are still not seeing this latest point release maintenance update, then I'm sure you'll be getting it sooner than later over the next day or so. And it's quite common for Microsoft to roll out these bug and performance fix updates between major version upgrades of the browser, because when they do roll out major releases like version 106, which they did on the 3rd of October, those updates and upgrades include feature updates and security fixes mainly. So it is quite common for Microsoft to roll out these what they call these bug and performance issue updates and fixes between major version upgrades, just to address any known issues in the browser. So if you have experienced any issues, any bugs, glitches, stability problems, or performance issues, just double check that your browser is up to date, because there is a good chance that this latest point release update will address that issue. And there is no mention of any security updates that have been made available with this latest update. It's just, as mentioned, a bug and performance issue fix update. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.